How to delete Twitter or X account permanently. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can delete your X account permanently. So go ahead and open the X app, formerly known as the Twitter app, on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Then scroll down and tap on Settings and Support. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. Here, tap on the first option, which is your account. The fourth option is Deactivate account. Tap on that. Now you have the deactivate option at the bottom of your screen. Before deactivating, there is something you should know. If you tap on the deactivate button for up to 30 days, you can restore your X account. All you want to do is simply log in during these 30 days period. If you logged in during that time, then your account will be reactivated. However, if you do not log in during the 30 days period, then your account will be permanently deleted. So go ahead and tap on the deactivate option. Now you will have to enter your password here. Once you have entered your password, go ahead and tap on the deactivate option at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you have deactivated your account and you want to delete it permanently, make sure that you do not log in during the 30 days period time, and after the 30 days your account will be permanently deleted. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.